നമസ്കാരം അഗാരിക്കസ് മലയാളത്തിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു അധ്യായത്തിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഡയറി ഫാം ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടർ എക്സാമിനേഷനുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള വാക്സിൻ എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള MCQs ആണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, which scientist is credited with developing the first successful smallpox vaccine? Answer options. Option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Edward Jenner. Option C, Jonas Salk. Option D, Robert Koch. Correct answer option B, Edward Jenner. Important question aanadu. Second question, what type of immunity is acquired through vaccination? Answer options. Option A, natural immunity. Option B, passive immunity. Option C, acquired immunity. Option D, inherited immunity. Correct answer option C, acquired immunity. Third question, which vaccine is typically given shortly after birth to provide protection against several diseases? Answer options. Option A, influenza vaccine. Option B, hepatitis B vaccine. Option C, MMR vaccine. Option D, polio vaccine. Correct answer option B, hepatitis B vaccine. Fourth question, which vaccine is commonly administered to protect against measles, mumps and rubella? Answer options. Option A, influenza vaccine. Option B, hepatitis B vaccine. Option C, MMR vaccine. Option D, polio vaccine. Correct answer option C, MMR vaccine. Fifth question, which of the following is a common method for administering vaccines? Answer options. Option A, oral drops. Option B, inhalation. Option C, intramuscular injection. Option D, eye drops. Correct answer option C, intramuscular injection. Sixth question, which disease has been successfully eradicated through vaccination efforts? Answer options. Option A, smallpox. Option B, tuberculosis. Option C, influenza. Option D, malaria. Correct answer option A, smallpox. Seventh question, what is the typical purpose of an inactivated vaccine? Answer options. Option A, introduction a live weakened form of the pathogen. Option B, deliver genetic material to cells. Option C, use killed or inactivated forms of the pathogen to stimulate an immune response. Option D, provide antibodies directly. Correct answer option C, use killed or inactivated forms of the pathogen to stimulate an immune response. Eighth question, what is the name of the vaccine that provides protection against the human papilloma viruses? Answer option. Option A, hepatitis B vaccine. Option B, influenza vaccine. Option C, HPV vaccine. Option D, meningococcal vaccine. Correct answer option C, HPV vaccine. Ninth question, which of the following is an example of a combined toxoid vaccine? Answer options. Option A, tuberculosis toxoid. Option B, DTP vaccine. Option C, hepatitis B vaccine. Option D, influenza vaccine. Correct answer option B, DTP vaccine. 10th question, what is the purpose of the varicella vaccine? Answer options. Option A, prevention of chickenpox. Option B, prevention of mumps. Option C, prevention of influenza. Option D, prevention of polio. Correct answer option A, prevention of chickenpox. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.